Don't make a sound.
Huh?
Move!
Why is your heart filled with so much hate?
If I stopped feeling all the hate that I feel inside of me, then I would probably be dead. Because this hate, like you call it, keeps me hungry for revenge for what they did to father.
I don't know what to say else to you.
Then don't talk. You bastard! It's that revenge that keeps me going each and every damn day. That man destroyed her father. What is wrong with you?
What are you talking about?
Are you crazy? Do you know how much trouble you're causing?
You know nothing about me. So please don't waste my time.
Forget about that. Me, I'm hungry.
No one has ever died of hunger. Wait for the others to come back, then we will eat.
I'm going to bury him, so be sure no one will find out. Nothing will happen to us because they will never find him.
Since when did you start eating birds?
We can roast it a little bit on fire, then fry it and put small soup.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Tamblo mvire.
Father! Father! Father!
You bastard!